You're gonna need lemongrass, serai, cili api. It actually depends on the level of spiciness you can tolerate. I just eyeball the amount. So kalau you tak tahan pedas, kurangkan sikit. Yang ni sedih sikit sebab kalau yang original memang kita guna kunyit hidup. But turmeric powder will do. Asam keping, chicken, and potatoes. Ni lime leaves, daun limau purut. Tengok, tinggal ni je. Bits. The other thing that I'm so bummed out about is that we don't have lesung penumbuk, so I'm gonna have to use this food processor. It's gonna make a huge difference actually. Kalau you guna lesung penumbuk memang lagi sedap and lagi authentic. Okay, cili dah siap blend, serai pun dah ketuk. Now we will transfer them into the pan. So kita masukkan ayam one by one into the pan. I'm not sure why, but this is how my mom would do it. Dia akan masak macam kind of goreng this ayam with chili atas api sampai kecut. Okay, susah sebenarnya nak masak sambil pegang kamera, sambil satu tangan masukkan bahan-bahan. Okay, masukkan semua. Okay, kita kena gaul sampai everything is mixed well, and then let it sit for a moment sampai ayam ni macam half cooked. Okay, lebih kurang macam ni lah. Kita biarkan ayam tu masak sikit. I don't know if you guys realise, but I didn't put bawang sebab authentic Negeri Sembilan punya masak lemak memang tak letak bawang. Most of my friends don't know that they put bawang, but ikutlah cita rasa masing-masing. Okay, this is cili, but I forgot to mention santan dalam ingredients tadi. Sorry. Okay, now kita dah boleh masukkan santan. And then kentang. Okay, lepas tu boleh masukkan asam keping. Okay guys, this is a very important step. Bila dah mendidih, pastikan you gaul, okay? Sebab kalau tak nanti dia macam berketul santan tu. Lepas tu bolehlah masukkan kita punya lime leaves. Alahai. And then last sekali jangan lupa masukkan garam.